Oopsie.
What? What? Other.
Oh.
Import.
Wesley, will you write blue for me? Will you write blue?
B-L-U-E. Bears blue. B.
Will you write green for me?
T-O-E-E-N. Bears stain.
Awesome. Good job.
Bears Owen. O-A.
O-R-A.
O.
R-A-N. I'll write orange for you.
Owen.
How about red? Can you write red?
O-E. D. Red.
Amazing, Wesley. You blow my mind. Do you remember how to spell yellow? Do you remember how to spell it? What letter does it start with?
Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Amazing! Good job.
There's yellow.
Yes, that's right.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. There's yellow.
Wesley, you completely baffle me. You blow my mind. I am so proud of you.
O-A.
Would you like a sip of tea?
A corn.
That's right, a corn. What's that?
Carrots.
That's right. What's that?
Tomato.
That's right. What letter does tomato start with? Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. What does it sound like it starts with?
Tomato.
T, t. What letter makes the sound t, t?
T. There's T.
There's T. And you underlined it even.
There's O. There's E. E. And green. There's green. There's green. G. O. E. N. Green. There's green. G. Put there. G. Drink.
Check it out.
Drinking G. And drinking egg.
Can you write the number 20? Yes, good job.
20.
20. Can we count to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, you don't want to. That's fine. What do you want?
What, 5?
Want what now?
What, 5?
Oh, yeah, 5s are a little weird.
5.
You want to try and copy that?
6.
6.
7.
Whoopsie, backwards 7. Mommy's dyslexic.
7.
Can you do an 8? 8. 9. 10.
0.
0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Good 5.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Amazing. You are an absolutely incredible person, Wesley. I mean, you're sweet and wonderful, and I love you. But your academic skills are
Water.
super crazy.
Water.
How do you spell water?
W A T O E. Water.
Damn close. W. What comes next?
A.
And then T. And then what?
O.
The E comes before the R. Water.
Water. The shape. The shape. Oops. N. G. G. O. E.